Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to autofix column width in Excel. So let's get us started. Start by opening the Excel worksheet with the columns that you want to autofit. To autofit a single column, simply click on the column letter at the top of the column to select it. Then double-click the right boundary of the column header, and Excel will adjust the column width to fit the content. And there you have it. Now you can autofix your column width. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.